Hi guys, I just want to make a quick review about this Phonic flashcards that we recently purchased. My baby right here, well, not so much of a baby, but my toddler over here, she's a little bit over 2 years old. She already knows her ABCs and a lot of the sounds of each letter. So we thought, why not start teaching her maybe how to read slowly. And these cards are really good because it comes with pictures of the word, like as you can see, cat, hat, and then it has the highlighted or and red what they're trying to learn. And it goes, what I like about these cards, they go by level, so they go level 1 through all level 4. That, you know, like while she's having fun looking at the pictures with each, you know, with the words, and but might as well, or why not help her, you know, get her ready before whenever she goes to school, and help her prepare her for the future. Very kid friendly, and yeah, so hopefully you guys like them as well.